Today marks more than the opening of a new building. It marks the expansion of hope, opportunity, and second chances. For years, the Oklahoma Department of Corrections and the Oklahoma Department of Career and Technology have stood side by side in a shared mission to empower just as involved individuals with the education and skills they need to rebuild their lives. Education and employment are two of the strongest forces in reducing recidivism and creating a lasting change.
Yeah, I actually feel like it's going to help me a lot. I'm really enjoying the program. I'm enjoying the teachers and staff. They've all been very supportive, and I really think that I'll get off on the right foot whenever I get out.
One of the biggest things about community centers is to help the inmates re-enter into society. With the things that CareerTech does here, with career readiness, welding, our transportation, distribution, and logistics, that only continues to provide more tools for their tool belts for when they release back into society.
As we network with other legislators across the United States, one thing that Oklahoma is known for is our CareerTech system. It's always brought up that they are very jealous of our CareerTech system that we have here in Oklahoma. And this facility is just going to be another one of those benefits of what that can do.
Trying to get better acquainted with being able to get some skills on the outside. I've already got a college degree in psychology. However, being a technical trade right now with having a felony is probably going to be the best course of action on the outside to be able to get a job. So I figured good way to give myself some experience would be right here. So
CareerTech didn't have to do this. CareerTech leaned in with our Department of Corrections to create a partnership so that, again, when we send out folks back into the community, they don't return here. And what we have seen time and time again is the individuals that are graduating from these programs don't want to return here either. They're showing up at work before the doors open. They're ready to go to work. They're some of the best employees. You know, that old saying of teaching a man to fish, you guys have all heard it. Well, it's not just teaching a man to fish. It's helping someone show that they can provide for their family, that they can provide for their community, that they can eventually give back. This thing goes full circle. It's not just a program, it's not just a building. We heard it earlier. We said recognizing hope. That's what we are all coming together to do, because workforce development is a team sport. And we're happy to partner with others, DOC and others across the state, to make sure that we recognize individuals for their value, for what they can provide to all of us, and they'll eventually be the ones giving back after we're done. Thank you for recognizing that all of us play a small part in making it a better Oklahoma for everyone.